Good morning, Granite Bay. Today we'll review Rivalry Week and some upcoming events.
Also SAT, SAT prep, and student gov applications.
All that and more
right here on GBTV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Today is Wednesday, February 19th. I'm Jake Russell.
And I'm Ransom Allen, and we have a brand new bulletin for you, so let's just jump into it. Hey Grizzlies, in case you missed it, the Rivalry Week happened last week, and it was pretty fun. Hey Jake, what was your favorite part of the week?
Probably that one video of the guy where he's like running on the street asking people what they're doing for Valentine's Day.
Yeah, I guess so too.
Although there were a lot of different games, I think soccer stole the show even more than basketball. Here's a video to show you what I mean.
Me personally, like when we either play at home or away, and the Deloro fans or our home fans come out, I feel like it's always a good motivation to keep fighting and keep going on through the games.
It makes me want to win more. I want to play better, and just listening to T Grizzly before the game just gets me hyped to get the dub. And last game we got on top. This game not quite. We still played brilliant.
Every game with Dio is an intense game, and we always come out and try to play our best. And then since it's Dio, we have a lot of beef and history, and we just want to win.
Oh, it was a crazy game. Like, I mean, the whole game we were fighting back and forth, and we went down first, and then managed to come back. We went back down again, and then the last minute header brought us back into the game. And it was honestly like a really emotional game, and I'm glad that we were able to stay in.
Sitting from the sidelines watching the game, felt like I was watching like a Liverpool game. This was some top class from Granite Bay and Deloro. Definitely had that, and shout out to Michael Vaughn and Riley's man. They really came in clutch, and the whole team.
Diego and Leon de la Cruz, center midfielder.
Carl Sicati, striker, center attacking midfielder.
Jeremy Shaw, right back.
Hey freshmen, are you interested in being a part of student government? If so, then the student government applications are due on March 20th, so make sure you get your forms done by then.
Spring testing season is still here, folks, and if you're still unprepared, then don't even worry about it. Workshops are still both on and off campus. These courses are available to you for the rest of the week and next week, so come on in if you need it. If you have any questions, please see Miss Keeney in the College and Career Center. Are you confused about what no, wrong box.
Oh.
Yeah, this box is, well, we have a quick video to explain exactly what these strange devices are and what they can be used for.
Hey Grizzlies, there's a charity event happening right now called Pennies for Patients for people fighting leukemia and lymphoma. If you would like to help support these people, you can donate in a box like this by February 21st. I'm here with Avani Singh, and we're going to be interviewing her. So, the first question is, why have you decided to be involved in Pennies for Patients?
I think Pennies for Patients is a really great thing. It's not often that we get to actually help our community and raise money, and I think it goes to a really great cause, so I'm happy to be a part of it.
Do you ever get a rewarding feeling knowing you are helping these kids?
I think just knowing that there are people that were willing to donate and that there's other people willing to help others. It's just kind of a good feeling, just like a positivity to humanity that people are willing to give up some of their money to help others, so that's pretty cool.
Why should other people get involved in Pennies for Patients?
You should get involved in Pennies for Patients because this is a great cause. It's going to the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society, and it's helping out patients, so it's really a great thing. So I really recommend getting involved and knowing that you're making a difference in others' lives.
Wow. All right, GB, make sure you get your donations in.
Go donate.
National Honor Society is sponsoring Pennies for Patients, which benefits the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. Look for a donation box in your second period class. The fundraiser runs through February 21st, and the second period that raises the most money will receive a donut party. Thanks for helping out for this worthy cause. Summer employment opportunities coming up. 1. Golfland Sunsplash hiring event for various positions. Representatives will be at GBHS during both lunches on March 10th. Applications will be accepted on the spot.
Number 2. California State Park lifeguards must be 16 years old. Tryouts will be held at Folsom Lake SRA on Sunday, March 7th at 10 p.m. Please go to the College and Career Center webpage for details or come to the College and Career Center.
Have you been accepted to Sacramento State? Seniors, if you have been accepted to Sac State, please come to the College and Career Center for important information.
Information for Sierra College nursing program will be for high school students and parents on March 24th, 6 to 8 p.m. in room 200 in Rockland campus, facilitated by Dean of Nursing Nancy James. Come learn about the Sierra College nursing program, facts about nursing school, how to prepare while in high school, learn about the nursing curriculum, what are the prerequisites, how important are grades, what does the multi-criteria entrance mean, what is the ATITs, bring your questions, meet the Dean of Sierra College Nursing.
Seniors, the local scholarship program is now open. Several local scholarships available for seniors. Check out the local scholarship program book at the College and Career Center. Deadline for all local scholarships is Friday, February 28th at 3 p.m.
Best of the West, February 20th, 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Open to all grade levels, parents, and students starting at 7 p.m. in the GBHS Theater with a college fair in the small gym immediately following theater presentations. Select Pac-12 institutions are coming together to ensure you and your family are prepared to navigate the college selection process. Out of the state, Pac-12 schools have teamed up to host joint information sessions and prospective students on families, which allow you to hear about administrations, scholarships, and student life, as well as unique opportunities available to you from multiple universities all in one place. The University of Arizona Administration Representative at GBHS will come by on March 25th at 11:15 a.m.
Why out of state? Tuesday, May 3rd, 6 to 7, presentation with college fair immediately following in the cafeteria, open to all grade levels. Parents of students, informational presentation from select out-of-state universities to speak about opportunities available beyond California, scholarship and financial aid, student life, and IB. No registration required.
Are you a part of the GBHS CTE pathway? If you're interested in learning more about opportunities and internships, come to the information session February 26th at 8 a.m. in the library. You must be 16 years of age and must complete 2 years in a CTE pathway with a C or better by the end of the current term.
CSU Sacramento, what's next? Informational session for accepted students March 3rd at 9:15 a.m. in the College and Career Center.
Washington State University, what's next? Informational session for accepted students with WSU Administration Rep March 24th, 11 a.m. in the College and Career Center.
Sierra College Enrollment Specialist Spring 2020 schedule in the College and Career Center on Wednesday, 2/19 at 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Monday, 2/24 from 10:30 to 12 p.m. Monday, and 3/2 to 12 p.m.
What's up, Granite Bay? My name is Ivani, and welcome back to ASB Corner. Just a quick update for you guys. Talent shows next week, March 27th at 7 p.m., so make sure to go attend. The theme this year is Grizzlies Walk of Fame, and you'll see singing, dancing, and even yo-yoing, so make sure to come check it out. Tickets will be sold next week, Wednesday and Thursday. That's all I have for you this week. Have a great day, Granite Bay, and go Grizzlies.
So, Jake, do you have any tea to spill?
Yes, I do, Ransom. If we want, we can go to Boba.
What's boba?
Ransom, you absolute buffoon. Here's a video to show you about boba tea in a local shop.
I love this location. Can't go wrong in Granite Bay. We're nearby Granite Bay High School. Can't go wrong. Just because this is all about, it's it's a community, but it's fun, right? I mean, you love the drink, and it's fun.
Yeah, I already had some friends that were coming over that like planning. They're like, oh, Maddie, I heard you're coming up with like a new boba shop, and like, oh, I really want to go. So I'm like really excited to see them. We're just trying to take it slow, and then we're doing a grand opening in May. And I enjoy like being creative and making new drinks and like being able to meet new people and just talk to everyone.
We're kind of learning just how things are gonna flow. Kind of prepping everything. I know it's gonna be successful, and we'll do a great job.
Can't wait to go and see what that's all about.
Credit recovery applications for the second semester and spring sessions are available now. Spring 2 session runs from March 23rd to May 8th. Summer sessions run from June 8th to July 16th. Students may access the application on our school website under the counseling page. Otherwise, students are able to see their counselor or the front desk. No appointment necessary during both lunch before or after school. To pick up an application, a parent signature is required on the application form before it is returned to the counselor for processing. Since there is a limited space in these sessions, it is important that students get application forms turned in as soon as possible. Class enrollment is capped at 25 students.
Transcript request forms are due soon. What are transcripts, you might ask? Transcripts are official documents signed and sealed by the school official. They can only be released to the student when requested in writing, or a parent or guardian if the student is under 18 years of age. Current students and local alumni, you may either fill out the online form or request transcripts in the administration office at GBHS. For payment, please pay at pickup with student services.
If you have an announcement, recognition, or story idea you want to be shown on the GBTV broadcast, submit it to the GBHS Communication Request Google form at the link below. Also, be sure to follow the @GBHigh Twitter and Instagram account our Instagram account at GBTV.
Well, Grizzlies, that's it for today. Until next time.
Have a great day, Granite Bay, and
Go Grizzlies!